Last year, actually for the last 2 years, we've been doing the CES Hardware Battlefield. And we're going to bring up some of our alumni who have already participated in the competition to give you an update on what they've been up to in the last year. So the first up is Voltera. Take it away.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Alray Almeida. I'm one of the founders of Voltera. Now, it must be pretty strange being at Hardware Battlefield and the person up here has a shirt that says, "Building hardware sucks." So let me explain. You see, product development relies on iteration. You build one of something, test it out, build another version, get some customer feedback, and a dozen iterations later, maybe, you have something that's ready to ship. You see, a couple of years ago, we realized that while mechanical and software developers have these great tools for rapid prototyping, in the electronics world, you're stuck using the same giant factories to build one circuit board when they've been optimized to build tens of thousands. This means high setup, labor, and shipping costs. But worst of all, it means 2-week lead times for each iteration. This is where that move fast and break things mentality breaks down. Well, over the past couple years, we've built a better solution. A printer that can create those boards in the time it takes to go get lunch. By using a silver nanoparticle conductive ink, we can print out circuit boards in an hour rather than suffering through the 2-week lead times we're familiar with. And because we can also dispense solder paste and then reflow the boards, this can also be used as a small batch assembly tool. Now, it took a long time for us to get here. We spent over a year in intense R&D trying to work on our benchmarks for conductivity and solderability, things that people told us would be impossible. But after we accomplished that, we moved the entire company to Shenzhen, China, where we were able to transform our ugly old prototype into a beautiful product. We spent our time there building out our supply chain and really becoming manufacturing ready. And that brings us to last year. Hardware Battlefield was the first in a series of amazing awards our product received, including the Invention of the Year by Popular Science and the prestigious James Dyson Design Award. The support we got from TechCrunch over the past year has been incredibly helpful to us. And the Metal Man trophy over there even made an impressive cameo appearance in our Kickstarter video. This Kickstarter campaign ended with over $500,000 raised and had highlights such as us running out of early bird units before we could even refresh the page, and then hitting our funding goal in just 30 minutes. Some of our customers include Pebble, 3D Robotics, MIT and Stanford, and even Intel. Over the past year, my amazing team has been hard at work building test jigs and creating assembly drawings. They've been on our shop floor inspecting our injection molds, witnessing the first shots coming off the line, and then assembling them into parts ready to go into the printer. Slowly but surely, shelf after shelf was being filled with printers at various levels of completion. What does it take to build a Voltera V1? Nuts, bolts, motors, gears, blood, sweat, and tears. And you mix all of that together, and a few short months later, you're left with this. I cannot tell you how exciting it is to see 3 years of hard work starting to ship out to our first customers, and then receiving email after email of stories and pictures of how this product is already changing the way they develop electronics. Perhaps the only other thing that can compare to that experience is seeing our team grow from 4 people with an idea to 11 people that truly believe that we're at the brink of a shift in manufacturing and that product design is going to change. If you'd like to find out more, my information is on the screen, and the Voltera V1 is available through our website, www.voltera.io. Thank you, TechCrunch, for allowing us back on stage, and thank you all. If you need custom circuits, just press print. Thank you.
Awesome, Voltera.